so much for staying to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you're in the market for these shoes, I have so much information because I am a lover of these shoes. I've been enjoying jelly shoes for like over 10 years. The first pair I had, I bought it myself. The second pair I had, I bought it myself and I still have. The third pair is now a gift, which is what I unboxed for you guys. I just thought, let me talk about them because maybe you might be wondering whether they're good, they're bad, are they comfortable, all of that good stuff. So I just want to give you some of my experience. Like I said, the first pair, I got it because I liked it. That time back then, it was very, it was almost sheer, so my skin tone would come through and it was really nice. Unfortunately, that cracked literally across the shoe. It just cracked, but I had it for a very long time. I'm talking 3-4 years. That's a fair amount of time, and the only thing was I couldn't bring myself to spend another £90, £70, however much they were, for another shoe. And then I bumped into another pair, a cheaper one, which was £16 in TK Maxx, which is not a Vivienne Westwood, but it is Melissa. So Vivienne Westwood collaborates with Melissa. Those are the pair that I've had for the past 2 years, and then they've been fine, they've been perfect, nothing wrong. I love them. Again, the color, I really like my nude pinks. That is actually my favorite color, like a blush pink sort of. And they work well with everything. Honestly, they work well with everything. I really actually do enjoy the cheaper ones I got because they are pointed, and so as a petite, that's really important. That's really key for me. For pointed shoes really help to just make everything look extra amazing. Then now I have these. I got them as a gift and I'm so happy. Can I just say they smell like bubblegum, and the pointy pair shoe that I have, the bubblegum scent was there, but then it's faded. Now I know from my old pair, which was actual Vivienne Westwood ones, that this bubblegum scent lasts. Like, even after they cracked, after 3 years, the bubblegum scent was still there. I hope it's nothing toxic or anything, but it's so nice. These as well smell like bubblegum, and it's like, it's so nice. And yeah, I'm all here for these shoes. For both of them, I love them. So I think the new ones are going to be like for special nice outfits, and my older ones will remain my runaround shoes that I just slip on. As I mentioned, they go with everything, and I love that. I love that. I think for me, the nude, pinky nude is the best for me. They have another shade which is more nude. So you have that option. I don't know, they do other colors. I think they do a black one as well, but the pinky nude for me is perfect. This one is not the slightest bit see-through like the first pair I had, but it's still perfect. The rounded ones, the new ones that I just showed you, they are quite tight fit, and that works really well because then they give you this dolly style feet. And it's really cute, it's really nice. So I really like that. They're really tight, but they are plastic, so they're not the best for winter, but that's what the next video is going to be all about, you know, carrying through your summer wardrobe into winter, the things you can do, because there is what you can do about that. They're very tight. They are not in a bad way, but there's not much wiggle room in there. The pointy ones, however, there's a lot of wiggle room that if I lift my heel, they actually fall off, and they're not the best running shoes. They fall off. They literally fall off. So that's the only negative thing I would say, but then that makes it great for layering with socks for when it's cold. So but yeah, all in all, I love these shoes. Hence I've gone all the past 10 years owning different types of pairs, and I'm glad my friend got me these. They're like the perfect gift. I love them. You cannot go wrong with jelly shoes with me. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and yeah, comment below if you have them. What are your thoughts? What are you thinking to get? Another brand, or is it the Vivienne Westwood ones? What do you think? And yeah, any questions that you may have for me. But until next week, 6 p.m, with another video for you. See ya.